It's a busy day in the Hurricane Center, and it is a busy day here as we track three named storms as promised. We talked about this potential last week, and we've got it. Tropical Storm Danielle, not going to concentrate too much on this. It's headed off into the North Atlantic. No threat to land. Earl, though, a different story. Earl is now a Category 4 hurricane with winds at 135 miles an hour. Torrential rainfall. Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, but moving away from those islands and headed up toward the Bahamas. Looks like the track will be just to the east of the Bahamas. A very narrow track here. There's high confidence in this turn. I know a lot of people are watching this one closely, comparing it to Floyd, but Floyd had a much closer track to us over Abaco. This will be farther to the east, which is good for us. We will pick up some ocean swells from it through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then it turns. It continues to move up toward Hatteras and potentially a landfall in eastern Canada on Friday or Saturday as a Category 1 or a 2 hurricane. And we have a new storm out there. Well, here's a look at Earl. Quick look with the heavy rainfall, torrential rain, and very strong winds. And our new storm is Fiona. Doesn't look like much, and actually it's not much, but there is a low-level circulation, and it has the potential to strengthen a little. The latest coordinates have the winds at 40. It's moving very fast toward the west, 24 miles an hour. In the short term, that really doesn't help it generate stronger winds, but in the long term, it is expected to generate a little bit stronger winds, and following a track a lot like Earl, that turned toward the northwest and then eventually up the east coast, far from our shores on Friday and Saturday.